guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's just a small excerpt of some of the places we've been to over the last year in the Mojave, and it's been a lot of fun. If you ever want to join us on a run, go ahead and follow us on Instagram. My personal account is usually where we announce runs and Helio Muro, or you can check out the Keep It Dirty Off-Road account. We usually go out scouting for ROC or for other groups, or we just go out for fun. So if you ever want to join, hit us up there or shoot us an email, keepitdirtyoffroad@gmail.com, and we'll hook you up. We accept all kinds, all vehicles, all experience levels. Just let us know what you got, bring a good attitude, and you'll have some fun. See you guys on the next one.